Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. So, y buenas tardes. Buenas tardes, good evening. What is buenos dias? Good morning, okay? Buenas noches, good night, okay? Buenas tardes, good afternoon or good evening. That's on you at what time you are saying that, okay? So today we are going to learn this is the very important part of Spanish language, okay? Pronouns. We are going to learn the subject pronouns. So there are three types of pronouns in Spanish: subject, object, indirect, direct object. So we are going to learn that later, but today we are going to learn subject pronouns, okay? Pronombres, los pronombres, as you can see here, los pronombres. So basically, if I'm going to say pronoun, pronombre, plural form los pronombres, singular form el pronombre, okay? So singular is el pronombre and it's plural, so we'll say los pronombres, okay? Masculino. So today we are going to learn pronouns, pronombres. So I, you, he and she, and we all, you all. So we are going to learn that. So these pronouns we always use with the conjugated verb. So in my playlist, AR ending verb, IR ending verb and ER ending verb. So there are conjugations of all the verbs, AR, IR or ER, okay? But you will notice if you visit that playlist, so there are conjugations of each verbs, but they has this: tú, yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. So what is that? These are pronouns. We always use that with every verb, every conjugated verb. Okay, so if I want to say I talk in, as in the introduction part also, we have learned the very first person singular form. Okay, I live in Delhi. So yo vivo en Delhi. So yo is like I, pronoun. Okay, so whenever we are conjugating the verb in any form, plural, singular, I, second person, third person, first person, so that's on you. If we are conjugating any verb in Spanish, so we will always use these subject pronouns, pronombres, los pronombres. Okay, so yo means I basically. Okay, yo, let's take the AR ending verb hablar. Okay, yo hablo, hablo, I talk. Okay, tú hablas, tú is a very like informal way to say you. Okay, like we are not giving respect to the second person, we are just saying normally. Okay, you are in my house. Okay, so tú or you talk in Spanish, tú hablas en español. So we are not giving respect, we are just saying, like in Hindi we say कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है या तुम स्पेनिश में बात कर रहे हो. So that is the informal way to say. Okay, if we want to give respect, we will use this form, usted. Okay, usted. This is informal way to say you, this is a formal way to say you. We are giving respect to the second person. Okay, so if we are in the office, we give respect to each other, to the colleagues and the working professionals, so on. Okay, so we always use there usted. Okay, if you want to give the respect, you will use usted in the you form. Okay, so usted habla en español. So él is he. Okay, masculino. Ella, femenino, she. Okay, él habla en español. Habla en español. Habla is like talk. Okay, tú hablas, we are adding here s. Él habla, he talks in Spanish. Él habla en español. Ella habla en español. So the conjugation for él, ella, usted are same. Okay, so whenever you are using él, ella, usted, or whenever you are using hablar, the third form you are using singular form. These are singular forms. Okay, so whenever you are using él, ella, usted, habla, okay, so you should be mentioning, you have to mention of like what person you're talking about. Okay, él, ella, él or ella, he or she you're talking about, or you in a formal way you're talking about. So you have to mention, if you are using third person singular form, so you have to mention the ella. You have to mention the pronoun. Okay, you have to mention the pronoun of what person you're talking about. He you're talking about, she you're talking about, or you in a formal way you're talking about. So whenever we are using third form, okay, so we have to mention él habla en español, ella habla en español, and usted habla en español. So obviously if I'm saying habla en español, I'm not adding the pronoun, I'm not adding any pronoun. So I'm just saying talk in Spanish. Okay, so that doesn't make any sense. The second person or the third person will get confused, like of what person you're talking about, of whom you're talking about. So we have to mention él, ella or usted because the conjugation is same for él, ella, usted. Habla is the same conjugation for él, ella, usted. Okay, so we have to mention. So let's get to the plural form. Okay, so yo means I, plural will be we, obviously. Okay, nosotros, nosotras. As I said before also, in Spanish in everything there are masculino and femenino. Okay, so nosotros, os will be masculino, as will be femenino. Let's suppose that I'm with my friends, only female friends. Okay, so I'll say we talk in Spanish. Nosotras I talk in Spanish. Nosotras hablamos en español. You will learn the conjugation. I will explain in the next video. But today we are learning only pronombres. I'm just giving you the example. Okay. Nosotras hablamos en español. Okay. So why we are using as over here? Because we are only females in the room. Okay, I'm with my friends, they're only female friends, so that's why I have to use nosotras, as I'm mentioning that there are only females. Okay, so there are males only, we'll use nosotros hablamos en español, or there are males and females also, so we will use nosotros only. Okay, so for males also we are using over here nosotros. For females and males both, if there are both females and males friends. Okay, so I will use nosotros also. Okay, nosotros hablamos en español. Okay, vosotros, like tú is an informal way to say you, vosotros, you all. Okay, but it is an informal way. It's not a formal way. We are not giving respect. We are just saying, just like in Hindi, tum sab. Okay, so yeah, vosotros, vosotras. हम यहाँ पे respect नहीं दे रहे हैं. Ustedes में we are giving respect. For usted we are giving respect. Tú में we are not giving respect. Okay, so vosotros, as you can see here, just like in nosotros we have as and os. So this is the same case, vosotras. If there are my friends, only female friends, so I'll say you all talk in Spanish. In an informal way, I'll say vosotras. There are only female friends, right? So I'm using vosotras habláis en español. Vosotras habláis en español. Okay, you all talk in Spanish. If there are males also, males only, I'll say vosotros habláis en español. But there are females and males also, I'll use this only. Vosotros habláis en español. Just the same case. Okay. Ellos, él means he. Ellos, they with males. Okay. Just like this. Os, as, ellos, ellas. Okay. Ellos means they, masculino. They, masculino. Ellas, femenino. Okay, so they talk in Spanish. The conjugations, as over here also the conjugation was same, here also the conjugations will be same. Okay, ellos hablan en español. So we are mentioning, if we want to mention there are only females, I'll say ellas hablan en español. I'm mentioning there are only females and they talk in Spanish. Okay, ellas hablan en español. Ellos hablan en español. Ellos means like there are only males or there are females and males also. So both the cases. In both cases we will use ellos hablan en español. Okay. Ustedes is a formal way. Okay, ustedes is a formal way to say आप सब, you all. Okay, ustedes hablan in español. So whenever we are using the conjugation for third person singular, third person plural, whenever we are using the conjugation of third person in plural and singular case, we have to mention the pronoun él, ella, usted, or in plural ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay, let's revise. Today we are learning los pronombres, pronouns. Yo, I, yo hablo en español. We have to mention the pronoun. Tú hablas en español. This is an informal way. Él, ella, usted. Él, he talks in Spanish. Él habla en español. Ella habla en español. Usted habla en español. Usted is the formal way to say you. Okay, so the conjugation for these three are same. So we have to mention the pronoun. Let's get to the plural. Nosotros or nosotras hablamos en español. Vosotros, vosotras habláis en español. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan en español. So the conjugations you will learn in the next video. Okay, but you have learned today the pronombres, as the pronouns are very important in Spanish. So you have to learn these before getting to the part of conjugations. Okay, so revise these, learn these, then I'll upload the video regarding the conjugation, how we conjugate the verbs, how does the conjugation works. Okay, so that was it for today. So stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. I'll be teaching the Spanish language in an easy way, in a loco way. Loco, Spanish is fun, Spanish is crazy. Loco, crazy. Okay, so stay tuned with my channel, watch the playlist of the conjugations, and today you have learned los pronombres. Stay tuned. Adios, hasta pronto.